Ladies and gentlemen, you see, Kanayo don't come outside. He don't constantly talk spoil. He don't constantly talk spoil because why? There are statements that some persons make, which we can react to, not because of what they said in particular, but because of who they are in the society. That is why we must always come out to talk about things like this. First of all, see this picture. You see the picture displayed on the screen. This is a picture of Kanayo saying that only the Igbo people, I don't know, I talk and say no other tribe in Nigeria can survive what the Igbos survived after the civil war. One thing, get away to make that funny statement. And I went to the post and read, he did that post on his Instagram page saying that Igbo people should not join the protest, na so one thing, na so this and that. First, nobody is calling on Igbo people to join any protest. Take it or leave it. Nobody is calling on the Igbos to join any protest. Then two, we said it before, and now they have confirmed it that the Peter Obi struggle or the support for Peter Obi was an Igbo agenda. But they were, hiding under politics. They were hiding under politics to try to say, no, Peter Obi has a better dream for Nigeria. One thing. But at the end of the day, it is now obvious in the eyes of everybody that Igbo agitation for Peter Obi is an Igbo agenda. All right. Kanayo said on his post, he said if Igbos cannot be trusted for leadership in Nigeria, so they should not also be trusted with protest or something like that. Get away to put that statement, trying to say that if Nigeria cannot allow Igbos to be at the aim of affair, then Igbos have nothing to do with agitating for a better Nigeria or whatsoever. Now, let me tell you something. You see, all these things you guys are doing, you are only using it to devalue the chances of the Igbo when it comes to election. Tinubu is already in power. Maybe, as we all are seeing it now, maybe the administration will just manage. At the end of the day, they cannot do something significant. Another 4 years will come. What can you now use to promote the candidate you think is best for the country when you are all out here saying words that can instigate a kind of tribal sentiment, which we are already in it already. We are already in a very strong tribal sentiment, because anything that happens in Nigeria today, people look at tribe first before they do any other thing. Instead of you to use your platform to speak, to secure a change, to push for a change, so that this issue going on online, Igbo, Yoruba, Bini, this and that, will stop. You are using your platform to instigate more of it. No wahala. We dey look all of una. But take it or leave it. If Tinubu come up for power, Igbo cannot still enter presidency. Yes. And you see that Biafra, it will never come to pass. Nnamdi Kanu will never come outside from prison. Because una want to overdo. Kis Daniel said, peperi, no go dey do pass yourself. Now una dey do pass una self. We are watching. Whether una protest or una not protest, that will not solve the problem of Nigeria. People wey dey protest now will not make dollar rate to come down. The only thing is, the cry wey the masses dey cry, the presidency don hear, the government don hear, and they are doing all they can do to make sure that they bring a stability to the average life of every Nigerian.